Hey everybody, welcome once again to Low and Health Rambling. This is of course part 2. We got in. We didn't end up using the loading dock because we actually found out you could actually park otherwise. So we've actually been inside the convention hall and finally got her pole booth set up. So if I pan around, we got the loud thing there. Back there is her booth, as you can see, set up there. Let's see if I can do a nice little pan there. There is Rose, of course, still setting up. We got it mostly put together. That's her booth there. And of course, as you can see, this is basically the exhibition hall. It has Artist Alley, and then the dealer's room is of course back there, and then me again. So we finally got everything set up, but I probably edit this with my other video, but I put them together and post them up later on today. But so far, day 0 is good. We got everything set up, right?
Pretty much.
Okay, so let's see if I can get this both in shot. There she is, and now she's in behind her thing. Which we realized you hadn't have to duck around. She's already hit her head.
Like, how many? Like 4 times.
Yeah, you've hit your head 4 times. So as long as we make sure that we stay in our seats, we should be fine. But that is us
That's not gonna work out
set up. Let me do a walk around here so I can make it look like I'm actually doing something. But yeah, we actually have some cool droid stuff, which you'll see behind me in a second here. Let's see if I can stop for a second. Yeah, droid stuff there, which is awesome. We're by the droids. You should really come by and check it out if you see our booth.
And I just hit my head
And
again.
she just hit her head again. Awesome, light up. Those lights are bright. Okay, so as always, thank you for watching, and if you're gonna be in MegaCon this weekend, we are section grade, table 10, right across by the food court and the droid things. You'll see us. We're not that hidden, and have a good day and hope to see you then.